Why should we establish centralized tableware cleaning and distribution centers? 1. For catering businesses. Reduce costs and improve efficiency. Businesses no longer need to invest heavily in expensive dishwashing equipment, dedicated spaces, or labor. They also save on expenses for water, electricity, and detergents. By outsourcing the cleaning and disinfection process, businesses can focus more on their core operations, for example, food preparation and customer service. Mitigate operational and safety risk. This model eliminates the risk of food safety incidents caused by substandard in-house cleaning and disinfection. It also shifts trivial tasks such as tableware loss and staff management to professional companies, reducing operational burdens. Enhance restaurant image. Uniform, seal, and spotless disinfected tableware leaves customers with a professional, hygienic impression. This improves the dining experience and elevates the overall grade of the restaurant. 2. For consumers. Guaranteed safety. The biggest benefit is reliable hygiene. Tableware from professional distribution centers undergoes rigorous high-temperature disinfection, thorough cleaning, and seal packaging. This effectively kills pathogenic bacteria, letting customers dine with peace of mind. Convenience and peace of mind. The tableware is ready to use right out of the package. Consumers no longer need to worry about the cleanliness of tableware washed in-house by restaurants, resulting in a better dining experience. 3. For society and the catering industry. Drive professionalization and standardization. It promotes the professional division of labor in the catering industry chain and establishes unified hygiene standards for tableware, helping raise the overall food safety level of the industry. Promote energy and environmental conservation. Compared with decentralized cleaning by individual restaurants, centralized and large-scale cleaning and disinfection is usually more water and energy efficient. It also facilitates unified and eco-friendly treatment of wastewater and residue. Centralized tableware cleaning and distribution centers are well worth your attention and understanding.